People intentionally put this plant under stress for one very unusual reason. It's kept in a constant cycle of drought, and whenever it tries to grow a fresh green stem, the owner cuts it off immediately. That's because all of the plant's energy needs to go into strengthening its outer shell instead. Over time, the stress causes the surface to crack and expand, creating incredibly unique patterns. But the design can't form randomly. It has to grow in a very specific way, so growers raise hundreds of them at once, carefully switching between watering and drying cycles for years. And after enough controlled stress, some of these plants end up looking like tortoise shells that can sell for hundreds of dollars.